When connecting to the internet, the ignition needs to be switched on. A connection can be made via an external Wi-Fi network or a data-enabled micro SIM. Touch the Settings icon to display the pop-up menu. Select All Settings followed by Connectivity. Touch the On/Off slider to activate a Wi-Fi hotspot for your vehicle. Touch the Refresh icon to generate a new password. Touch the On/Off slider to allow your vehicle to connect via an external Wi-Fi network. A secure network is indicated by a padlock icon. Enter the network's password and select OK. If a connection is made, the Wi-Fi icon displays and the network's name is shown on the connectivity screen. Touch the network's name and touch Forget to erase the network's details from the list. Touch Add Network to add a network. Touch the Add option and enter the network's name and select OK. If the security type information is incorrect, touch it and select from the list. If a password is required, touch the Add option and enter the network's password and select OK. When all of the information has been entered, touch Connect to access the internet. Touch the On/Off slider to activate mobile data. This will allow connection via a mobile network. Touch Mobile Settings to view and change your settings. If you are having problems receiving data from your network operator, touch Network Provider. Select On to reset your provider's settings. Select Off to change the network provider. Enter the name of the network, the username and the password, and touch Connect.